Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev, India's legendary cricketer, is the epitome of resilience, talent, and unwavering belief. Born on 6 January 1959 in Chandigarh, Punjab, Kapil Dev Nikhanj would go on to redefine Indian cricket and lead India to its first ever World Cup victory in 1983. His journey, marked by determination and brilliance, transformed the course of Indian cricket. Kapil was born into a middle-class Punjabi family. His early years were influenced by the values of discipline and hard work instilled by his parents. He started playing cricket at an early age, quickly standing out for his athleticism and passion for the game. It was at the Desh Prem Azad Cricket Academy in Chandigarh that Kapil's talent began to be nurtured, and his potential as a fast bowler and aggressive batsman came to the fore. Kapil Dev made his domestic debut for Haryana in the 1975-76 season. His consistent performances, particularly with the ball, earned him a reputation as one of the brightest young talents in Indian cricket. His breakthrough came in the 1979-80 Ranji Trophy season, where his exceptional bowling and aggressive batting led Haryana to victories. Kapil's natural athleticism and dedication to training helped him transition smoothly from domestic to international cricket. Kapil Dev made his debut for India in 1978 against Pakistan. His fearsome pace and swing made him India's premier fast bowler, a rarity in a country known for its spinners. His all-round capabilities became apparent when he started contributing vital runs down the order. The defining moment of his career came in 1983 when Kapil led India to a historic World Cup win. As captain, he inspired his team to overcome insurmountable odds, with his legendary 175 not out against Zimbabwe being a turning point in the tournament. His leadership brought a new dimension to Indian cricket, and he finished his international career in 1994 with 434 test wickets, breaking Sir Richard Hadley's record. Following his retirement as a player, Kapil Dev ventured into coaching. In 1999, he was appointed as the coach of the Indian national team. His time as a coach was brief, but Kapil's insights and leadership helped guide a young generation of players. However, his stint ended amid controversy, though his legacy as a mentor remained. In the early 2000s, Kapil Dev's career was marred by allegations of match fixing. The controversy, which shocked the cricketing world, involved several high-profile players. Kapil denied all accusations but chose to resign as the coach of the Indian team to preserve his dignity. Later, he was cleared of all charges, and his reputation as a true sportsman was restored. After retiring from active cricket, Kapil Dev became a sought-after cricket commentator and analyst. He was also involved in various business ventures and contributed to Indian cricket through advisory roles. His deep insights into the game were invaluable in shaping the future of cricket in India. Kapil Dev married Romi Bhatia in 1980, and the couple has a daughter named Amya Dev. Throughout his career, Kapil maintained a strong sense of family values and often spoke about how his wife and daughter provided him with the support needed to navigate the highs and lows of international cricket. Kapil Dev has penned several autobiographical works, the most famous being Straight from the Heart and We, the Six. These books offer insights into his life, career, and his views on leadership, resilience, and the essence of cricket. Records. Kapil Dev's records are many, but some of the most notable include first cricketer to score 5,000 runs and take 400 wickets in Test cricket. He held the record for the highest number of Test wickets, 434, when he retired, leading India to their first World Cup win in 1983. Captained India in 1934 Test matches with 4 victories and 7 losses. Played 131 Tests and 225 ODIs, scoring more than 9,000 runs across formats. Kapil Dev has also made appearances in films, including documentaries and Bollywood films. His life story inspired the 2021 film 83, where Ranveer Singh played the role of Kapil Dev, focusing on India's historic World Cup win. Kapil Dev's legacy goes beyond statistics. He transformed the way Indian cricket was perceived and played. Some of his key achievements include 1983 World Cup winning captain, Wisden Cricketer of the Year, 1983 Padma Shri, 1982, and Padma Bhushan, 1991, awards, inducted into the ICC Cricket Hall of Fame in 2010, honored with numerous accolades for his contribution to Indian sports. Kapil Dev's remarkable journey from a small-town boy to an international cricketing icon is a testament to his perseverance, self-belief, and love for the game. His impact on Indian cricket is everlasting, and his life remains an inspiration to generations of cricketers and sports enthusiasts alike.